Hello everyone. The lesson for this one will be circular needles. This is just a set that I have. It's a nice long loop, 2 needles. A lot of people I found are very frustrated with circular needles, and I'm going to do my best to do this video. So the first thing you want to do is make sure whenever you put the stitches on the needle that your tail end is over here. Okay, we're just going to do 20, and this is working back and forth. 1, 2, alright, so we have the needles here. Okay, this is going to be this side. It's very similar to working on regular needles. I'm just going to knit every row, through, round, through. Now here's the part that most people don't see. You push up as you go. Now if you notice, I'm also pushing it down as I go a little bit. You don't want to do too much. You see how it's starting to go a little bit further back? We just push up a little bit. Now what I'm doing with my left hand here is I'm separating the one strand I need from the others. Makes it a little bit easier. Now as I go, I'm also pushing down and up at the same time. So you go down here, up here. See, I've got a little bit of a little too much needle there. And as you can see, it goes past and onto the cord. This is handy for making blankets. Okay, we're going to do one more row. Now, when you go back and forth, if it twists a little bit on you, it's not a big deal. Again, too much leeway, so you push up. I always try to keep as many stitches on this part as I can, with giving myself a little bit of leeway here. If you go too tight, it'll be hard to push it, but a nice even tension will make it so that it's easier to go through. So again, I'm pushing up, not only this one, but these as I go. I'm pushing down with this hand as I go. When I get too much on the tip, I take my hand and I push up. After a few rows, the yarn does the work for you and starts pulling it up for you and pushing it down. So that every once in a while you just need to do this or this. So as you can see, it's a nice, pretty even tension. Now to turn it around, the best way to do that is to take this needle back behind and kind of flip it. Make sure it goes under the yarn here. And you twist it around. You just keep pushing it up. Your goal is to pay attention to your needles here more than to the cord. That is how to work back and forth on circular needles.